I refuse to go back to work, so I built a tool that makes sure that I never have to. Stay till the end because I'm about to show you how one conversation can replace 10 hours of work every single week. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Being a stay-at-home mom doesn't mean you don't want to make money. It means you don't want to trade your time and presence for it. Every side hustle sounds great until you realize what it actually takes. The marketing, the constant posting, the algorithm, the being on all the time. You didn't leave a job just to create another one at home. Plus, being a stay-at-home mom is a job. So I did something about it. My husband and I built Greenwood Social, a tool that lets Claude AI schedule your posts directly. Here's what that means. I tell Claude what I want to post about. Claude writes everything, then Claude schedules it all using Greenwood Social. One conversation equals a month of content, scheduled across every single platform. I batch my entire month's worth of content in one Saturday morning, and then I'm done. The posts go out automatically while I live my life. That's how I stay at home with my kids and bring home income. And I'll put a screenshot here for non-believers. And I'm about to show you how to do the same thing with any single side hustle. Hi, if you've made it this far, I'm Angelica, the founder of Social, a social media management tool built specifically to automate your social media marketing tasks. Follow me for more breakdowns or check the link in the bio for a ton of free resources, community, and done-for-you services so you can focus on your favorite parts of your business and automate the rest. And I will see you next time. Bye.